Hey TechnoStuds, time for another demo. It's going to be really important that you can quickly and accurately determine what class a certain IP address is in. It's going to be very critical from here on out to be able to identify those classes. So when you're doing this, we're going to do this demo video on IP classes, and I'm going to present you with a task. You'll pause the video, figure out the task, and then you can play the video to see how well you did and how close you were to the actual answer. So let's jump into this and take a look at IP classes and do demo video on IP classes. As we saw in our last video, it's really the first few bits that determine what class an IP address is going to be in. So really, it's the first octet. We can look at the first octet and determine what range it falls into, and so therefore what class it falls into. So in this example right here, this is 152. So I'm going to look at my chart over here, and where does 152 fall into? Well, it's between the range of 128 and 191. So this is a class B. I'll write class B into here. To make sure that you have this down, go ahead and pause the video at this point in time and go through these different IP addresses and determine all of the classes. Then you can play to find out if you got the right answer. Let's take a look at the answer here. There's the answers. Here again, you can pause and check your work to make sure that you're accurate with your work. Great, hopefully you did that really well. It's not really a complicated task, but it's a very critical task moving forward. So make sure you have this down. If you don't, you can practice it more and get really familiar with this because we will be using this a lot.